everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing something with you guys just a little bit different. A lot of you guys have been asking about this, is can you please show us a grocery haul? Now, I shop at a grocery store that is a store that does take coupons, but it's not like extreme coupon friend. I mean, it's not extreme coupon happy. I mean, I do coupon there, but not very much because I mostly get my main groceries there. A lot of the coupons that we get are mostly for like junk food and all that stuff, and like that's where we get like, you know, our meat and our vegetables and our fruits and all that stuff. But I'm thinking if you guys want to see more grocery hauls, let me know. I'm here to share with you guys what I got. But as you guys know, I have a grocery store called Pick and Save, which is affiliated with Kroger. Now, I do deals with these guys all the time. And right now they have their mega sale going on. It's not the greatest mega sale, but I think it was pretty good because I got some stuff that I rarely ever get. So the mega sale is basically the items are on sale, and then with the mega sale you get $1 off for everything. So it's like buy 5, you get $5 off. So some of that stuff comes to be super cheap, and you guys can stack coupons with it. So if you guys are not sure what store or if your grocery store near you is affiliated, you can actually just go to Kroger's website and it'll tell you what store is in your area. And that's how I found out that Kroger was affiliated with Pick and Save. But I'm here to share with you guys that. And then I also am going to show you guys my grocery haul. Now, I did not do hardly any groceries. I think in my town, it's where I live, it's a very small grocery store. And the prices have gotten a lot cheaper since Kroger bought them out. But they're only 50% owned by Kroger and 50% owned by Roundy's, if you guys remember Roundy's groceries. But so I don't really do my true grocery shopping there, but they do have some really good sales, and that's when I usually go. So as you guys can see, I have a very long receipt for Pick and Save that I'm going to share with you guys what I got. And one thing is, I love the cashier that I had. I gave her like my stack of coupons. She didn't say anything or anything, and then after she hit total, she's like, "You saved a lot of money." And I'm like, yeah. So I'm just going to show you guys kind of my grocery haul, and then I'll show you guys if it's an item that is with the Kroger deal. I wanted to get Huggies wipes. Sorry, I have a big like giant bag that I put all my groceries in, so I'll just carry this right upstairs. But I wanted to get Huggies wipes. I thought they were in the Kroger sale, but they weren't, so I had to like get some other items. So I ended up getting 20 items for the buy 5, get 5. One thing, Ben was with me, so I let him kind of pick stuff, and he wanted a bag of chips, so these were $1.77. Now, I did include the pictures with the mega sale. I didn't include the pictures for everything else that I got, but I did include the pictures of everything that was included in the mega sale, so you guys kind of have an idea. And if you guys need to know where I got the coupon inserts, I'm not doing like the breakdowns like I do in my normal videos. I just go to coupontom.com. I type in the coupon that I'm looking for, and then that tells me what inserts it's in. I did make a video of how I, do my inserts, so just giving you guys a heads up on that. But these were $1.77 after the buy 5, get 5. So Ben wanted some chips, so I'm like, yeah, you can have some chips. I love it when I can get bags of chips, especially for like $1.77. He wanted some corn dogs. These are not on sale. These are just $2.99. So I'm like, whatever. Get what you want. He eats these. So I got him some corn dogs. And then he wanted pretzels. And if you guys know, we are from the capital of Wisconsin. I live in the capital of Wisconsin. And the Wisconsin Badgers are a huge mascot. So Ben wanted some pretzels. These were $2.99. A little expensive, but I'm like, you know what? If you're going to eat them, I don't care. So he wanted some pretzels because it had Bucky Badger on it. And then we got gallons of milk. I think this one was $1.79. Ben drinks skim milk because he drinks milk like there's no tomorrow, and he is on the little heavier side. So we have him drink skim milk just because he drinks it like he loves his milk. And then Graham and I get 1%, and I think this was like $1.99. So had to get milk. That's something that I get every single. We go through probably. Ben goes through about 2 gallons of milk a week. Graham and I kind of goes through, depends on how much boxes of cereal I eat. But I have been craving the Quaker Apple Cinnamon. These were not on sale, but these were just $1.99. These are great snacks. They're Rice Crisp, so I thought that would be a good snack for me to have. The next deal we got is he wanted some goldfish, and this is mixed. This is cheddar, zesty cheddar, and Parmesan. This was included in the mega sale, and I wasn't going to get these because I wanted to get the wipes, but my store didn't have them on sale. So I thought I'll just get some other stuff to make up for it. So these were, I think, $2.79 after the buy 5 get 5. Not the greatest deal, but you know what? If he's gonna eat them, and I do like it how it's got a resealable bag. There's your bag, honey. So we got, okay, and if you guys really get to know me, you guys know I'm a huge fan of SpaghettiOs. I've eaten SpaghettiOs pretty much my whole entire life. I ran into an old boss one time, and he was asking me, he's like, do you still eat SpaghettiOs? And I'm like, yeah. Like, that's all people know me from back in the day at my old store that I used to work at. Me eating nothing but freaking SpaghettiOs. So they were 10 for 10. So I got SpaghettiOs and Raviolios. Like I said, this is the one food I could probably survive off for the rest of my life if I had to choose something. So I got like 4 cans of Raviolios. I'm not gonna pull all these out because you guys know what they look like. And then I got SpaghettiOs. SpaghettiOs also. So we got that, and then Ben wanted a toy car, and he was a good boy, so we got him a Hot Wheels. These are only $1, so got him a Hot Wheels dollar car. Now the Bertolli is on sale. I gotta get my little cheat sheet. The Bertolli is on sale for the spend 5 get 5. I wrote it all down for you guys, but it is $1.99, and then, or no, hold on, it's $2.29 is the sale price. If you guys do the buy 5 get 5, it comes out to be $1.29. But then we have some 75-cent off coupons that we just got in this past inserts. So you guys would get these for 54 cents. Husband and I don't do spaghetti sauce very often. I know it's weird, but we do like Alfredo stuff. We do a lot of Alfredo things. So the garlic Alfredo is what I got. So I'm pretty excited to get that stuff, you know. Yeah, we don't do sauces. And as you guys know, I'm like almost 8 months pregnant, and I'm really craving ice cream. I eat ice cream all the time now lately, but I really love half-baked. I love it when they have these on sale. These are usually like $5-6 sometimes. I mean, you can buy a whole gallon of ice cream pretty much for the same price as this. I know, it's crazy. But these were in the buy 5, get 5. So these were on sale for $3.49. You buy 5 or whatever included items, you get them for $2.49 a piece. And I thought for $2.49 a piece, I will stock up on this. I feel like I've been buying nothing but Ben & Jerry's at Pick and Save lately, but I really love, and this is half-baked. And I haven't seen ice cream, Ben & Jerry ice cream coupons for a while. Like, they used to give them to us, and now I haven't seen them. So we got that. Ben said he wanted some Easter basket cakes. I didn't even look at the price for these. They're probably $2.19, but I'm like, whatever. If you're gonna have them, those could be good for his lunchbox. This was the Freebie Friday that they had. Now they are cutting back on the Freebie Friday items. I don't know why. I know there's people with multiple accounts. I only have one account. I don't need any multiple accounts, but this was the Freebie Friday item of the day, so I got that. And then the Brute, this was on sale for 2 for $3. It's not for the mega sale. The sure is, but not the Brute. So 2 for $3. We have $1.50 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. They do expire this Saturday or this Sunday, you guys. So if you're gonna do this deal, you have to do this deal before Sunday. Even though the mega sale doesn't end until Tuesday, these coupons end this coming Sunday. So I ended up getting 4 of them. They're in here somewhere. I didn't undo my bag. But anyways, I got 4 of these, so I think that is a pretty good deal. Something is leaking. The soap is leaking. I gotta get a paper towel. So we got that. I'm back, you guys. I had to pick up a lot of soap. One of the soaps got leaked open, but I did find the 4th and final Brute. Now I lost my piece of paper that I had oh, here it is. I just lost my piece of paper. Now the Sure deodorant is included in the buy 5 get 5, okay? So these also expire this coming Sunday. So these are $1.99 with the buy 5 get 5. They come out to be 99 cents. Now we do get we do have $1.50 off coupons for these. Yes. So you guys can use those coupons. Kroger, as far as I know, does do overage. The thing is, you just gotta make sure you get other things. I don't think they give you any money back. But yeah, you can do these coupons. You just got to buy other things to make up for the overage. So these all become a 50-cent moneymaker. So I got more of these coupons. I'm going to try to go back again before Sunday and do this deal all over again because I can't pass up free deodorant. Now this is the culprit that leaked open. I did just lose a little bit, not very much, but I did lose some. But the Palmolive dish soap is $1.99. Now they are on sale, buy 5 get 5. They come out to be 99 cents. Now we just received some 50-cent off coupons in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys want to use those, you guys would just get these for 49 cents. Now if you do the Sure and these, you guys pretty much can get all 8 items absolutely free because these, are the 50-cent overage. So I ended up getting 4 of them because the coupon lets you get 4 of them. So I love stocking up on hand soap. I know once I have the baby, I'll be going through hand soap like crazy because I hand wash all the bottles and everything. So had to show you guys that. And now my hands got like this grime on it because I just love smelling like soap. Now this is something I've never gotten so far that I know from couponing, and it's the Pert. It used to be called Pert Plus, I think, but now it's just Pert. I used to use this stuff as a kid. Like my husband's like, I remember Pert, we used to use this stuff as a kid. It's not as popular as what it used to be, but you know what? I'm still not going to complain because these come out to be absolutely free. Now these are $2.99. After the buy 5 get 5, you can come out to be $1.99. Now we do have $2 off coupons that also expire this Sunday. So you guys will get these absolutely free. Now my store only lets you do 4. So some Kroger stores let you guys do 5. Depending on the limit, but there was no limit on these. It doesn't say, but I'm like, you know what? I'm totally gonna get this deal. So these are some great things to get, and these are perfect items to donate because you don't pay for any of them. So why not give them, the homeless or anybody who needs stuff? I used to donate stuff to the homeless all the time, but usually like right after Christmas, they don't need that stuff because so many people donate stuff. So I kind of wait till like in the summertime when I start donating that because that's when those guys will need that stuff again. But then I got the Skintimate shave thing. Now this is also for I think it was for the men's stuff too, but I know more women like using this, and I've been getting a lot of men's stuff over the women's stuff. So these are $2.99. You guys use that they come out to be $1.99 after the buy 5 get 5. You guys use that $1 off coupon. I can't remember when the coupon expires. I think it's this weekend also. But these come out to just be 99 cents a piece. And I love it. I love it when these are just 99 cents a piece. So that was it. That was everything that I got. I was pretty excited with all the freebies that I got. My total before she scanned my card came over to like $105. I'm like, man, that's a lot. Like I spend $105 at my regular grocery store. Sorry, there's more soap on my desk. So I usually spend like $100 on that. And I do want to start shopping at Aldi. I want to do some Aldi hauls for you guys. So I'm preparing myself for that. It's just soap everywhere. But yeah, after she scanned it, it came down to like, I think it came down to like $60 or something like that. I can't remember. And then she like scanned all my coupons. So my total that I paid for all that stuff came out to be $34.42. I ended up saving $71.81. I know, that's crazy. 35 bucks I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, I got some food, which I needed. So we got that and milk. And then they have this thing where you get $5, or you can get some brewer tickets. And it looks like, I don't know how many vouchers I got. Oh, I earned 1 free ticket to go see a Brewer game. So that's kind of cool. So they always factor that in before coupons. So that is awesome. But yes, that was my pick and save haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys can do the mega sale. Now I will include all the pictures at the end of this video for the mega sale so you guys have an idea. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I love to hear it. And if you guys really love seeing the grocery hauls, please let me know. This is my first one, so I'm a little unorganized, but I will be more organized next time, depending on what you guys want to see next. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.